Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're planning a party this season, you're in for a treat. Today we're showcasing the best Valentine's plastic cups on the market. The Whaline 50-piece Valentine's Day disposable plastic cups with lids and straws. These aren't just party cups, they're the perfect blend of convenience, charm, and festive flair for any celebration. Let's dive into what makes this set stand out. Inside the pack, you get 50 plastic cups, 50 matching lids, and 50 stylish paper straws. The color theme? Classic Valentine's vibes, red and pink hearts printed on clear PET plastic. Each cup is an instant mood booster with its cute heart pattern and color-coordinated straws. Whether you're setting up for a wedding, birthday, bridal shower, or simply a cozy Valentine's gathering, these cups add a sweet, romantic touch to your table setup. Now let's talk specs. Each cup is approximately 3.9 by 2.2 by 4.3 inches and holds 12 ounces of your favorite cold beverage. From sodas to smoothies, iced coffee, or mocktails, these cups are just the right size. Plus, the fitted lid helps prevent spills, making them great for both adults and kids at your event. The included straws are made of sturdy paper and carry the same red and pink stripe theme, keeping everything coordinated and visually pleasing. These cups are made from quality PET plastic, which is safe, odorless, and reliable. They're not flimsy or prone to cracking, and the material stays clear so the beautiful drinks you serve can shine through. If you're someone who hates the cleanup after a big party, you'll love the disposable nature of this set. Just use, enjoy, and toss, zero stress, maximum fun. Let's be honest, a themed party isn't complete without the details, and these cups play a big part. They fit right in with Valentine's Day decor and elevate any setup with minimal effort. Use them for toasts, dessert parfaits, or candy cups. They're versatile enough to fit any creative party idea you have in mind. Because the set is large enough for 50 guests, it's ideal for mid to large size gatherings. So, if you're planning an event and want something easy, festive, and practical, the Whaline Valentine's Day disposable plastic cups are a must-have. They tick all the boxes: looks, function, quantity, and theme. You get style without the mess, and a romantic vibe without the hassle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got any fun Valentine's party ideas or products you want us to review next. See you in the next one.